In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off highlights on Facebook. We'll walk through this step by step so you can quickly disable those highlighted stories or posts that you don't want to appear in that section anymore. I'll describe the process in a simple way so you can follow along on your own device as you watch or listen. First, open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet and make sure you're logged into the account where the highlight appears. Once the app is open, go to your profile page. You can do this by tapping your profile picture or your name, usually found either at the top of the home screen or in the main menu. On your profile, scroll down a little until you see the highlight section. This is typically a row of circles or small preview cards that show collections of your past stories or featured content. Take a moment to identify the specific highlight you want to turn off or remove. If you have several, it might help to tap into each one briefly to check what's inside. When you've found the highlight you want to disable, tap on it to open it. The highlight will start playing or show you the content inside. Look carefully on the screen for the options menu. This is usually represented by 3 dots in a corner of the screen or a small settings icon. Go ahead and tap that options or settings button. A menu will pop up with several choices related to that highlight. Here, you should see an option that lets you edit or remove the highlight. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your app version, but you're looking for something like delete highlight, remove highlight, or turn off highlight. Select that option. The app may ask you to confirm that you really want to remove or turn off this highlight. This is to make sure you don't delete it by accident. Confirm your choice. Once you do, that highlight will no longer appear in the highlights section of your profile. If you have multiple highlights you want to turn off, simply repeat the same process for each one. Open your profile, tap the highlight, open the options menu, and remove it. Finally, refresh your profile by backing out and opening it again to make sure everything updated correctly. You should now see that the unwanted highlight is gone, and your profile only shows the content you want people to focus on.